Hey students, we're just going to do a quick overview of Canvas. Now you have your account. I want you to go to the account and then to settings. And here, obviously I would have to sign back in. I have all kinds of protections there, obviously. To sign into Canvas. And now I'm in the settings. I have added a second email, my personal email and my school email, as you can see. So that's on the top right. You can do that. You can add other sites like your Twitter, your Facebook, your whatever ones you want to add. You can also add your phone number to help you retrieve information. I want to make sure that you have added your first and last name. So if it's only like first or last name, you can go ahead and edit and complete those, and then you'll have a way to submit them. So obviously you're in the teacher view, so it's a little bit different than yours. Okay, so now we're going to change from card view, which is what I'm showing now, which I like, but I do know some students prefer the list view. In the list view, it shows you what's happening day by day on the left side. You can see that. It also tells you the title of the assignment or lesson. And then if I had turned in work, it would show you a score on the right side. So that is your option. But I'm going to leave mine on card view. Like I said, I prefer that, but it's your choice. There is another option, but nobody's used that as far as I've seen over the years. Okay, so once you're here, if you're using a phone, going down to this image here is going to be a lot easier to access the modules. I like you guys to go to the modules to find your work. That way, if you're absent or you need to go back and maybe do a missing assignment, it's easier to find them there. So I just changed it to student view. That's why things changed a little bit. So it'll look like what you see. Do the collapse all and open up the week you're currently on, or leave them open if you have a missing assignment there. Okay, so obviously I'm doing this at week 9 right now. You can see that there's a syllabus, a welcome. We have a Zoom room, frequently asked questions. Okay, so let's go to week 1, just to give you an idea. On the left side, you can see these are justified clear to the left. These are the Google Slide lessons for the week. Okay, in those lessons has the videos and the different things that we're going to do throughout the week, and you can see how these are all tabbed over. These are the actual assignments for the week. Okay, and so let's look at, say, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so on, right? Let's look at the Tuesday assignment. These are all going to be extra credit this week, so I suggest you do them because at some point you'll wish you had, but it's also really good practice for you. Okay, so we're going to watch the video. I'm going to be using the Google Slide lessons on my Promethean board in the classroom. You can work ahead if you have earbuds and stuff and listen to it and answer those questions. And it has a little extra details, but on this one you would have seen a button either at the top right to submit or down at the bottom left where it says reply. Reply means other students can see it. It's a discussion forum. If it's submitted, it just comes to me to type up your work. So I'm going to go to one of those that you can see those options. So let's skip way down to week 9 here once things get moving. So I'm going to close week 1. Okay, so let's go to this one here. You'll notice we have Mondays, we do a little pre-quiz on Kahoot. And it's usually 5 questions that actually come from the test. So I want to try some of my let's try the pen just for the heck of it. So there's the title of the lesson. And now, I don't like what I just did there, so I'm going to play with my eraser. It doesn't seem to be there it goes on this one, but it didn't do it on the side. So we're going to erase things. I'm just trying to play right now for a second. Okay, so this one, you'll notice there's no button at the top. Let's get that back to my cursor. I want to do a different type of cursor. And after the lesson, clear down, there's a lot on that. It has a reply button, so I can click there. See that different type of cursor. Let's see what the fireworks one's like here for a second. So in here, I now can type whatever I want to type answer-wise. So obviously, I would type number 1 in the answer. Or you can copy the questions and do it. That's a great option as well. In here, I can also, if I decided to do it on paper, I can upload an image of whatever I hand wrote, take a picture of your work, and you can submit it here. And it gives you an upload option there as well. Okay, just kind of go back and look at another one of those real quick. I hope you can hear me well. I got a kind of little bit of wind. My computer's kind of old, so the volume's probably not the best. Okay, so let's look at this deal breaker one. So you notice that I clicked on this one and that was a discussion. This has a different look. This is an assignment. So when I click on that, there's the start button. Everything's the same. You'll have something to listen to. This one, I wrote the information, but I also have a way to listen to the audio with the question that is right there. And do the little things matter. Let's try a highlighter somewhere, just something different. Oh, there we go. No, I don't want an eraser. Let's add a sticker. So the sticker right there. Okay, just so you're aware. So I can click on the link and listen to that if I want to. And then you have additional questions that we'll answer. Okay, so if I hit this, I need to go back to my cursor, but we'll do that later. But I think you have the idea. Have a great day.